have a list of questions you want to talk to him about, like literally business questions, as if you're meeting with like $1 million consultant that you got like off of a lottery drawing. Okay. And when you come to that consultant, you're going to have a list of questions you want to ask, and you're going to have it ready to go because you're optimizing that time. I do believe that you should optimize your time with God, right? The reality of it is we have certain time in the day, and if you're going to time block it, be efficient about it. I think God and efficiency totally go hand in hand. It's not a la-di-da-di-da thing, which I think a lot of faith, quote unquote, stuff has a lot of la-di-da-di-da and not enough practicality. So be practical, have your questions ready, and then ask it, right? But once you ask it, then have a note or a journal ready, and then write down the answers. Like, you have to actually listen. I think we're trained a lot of times to like tell God our problems as if he doesn't know. And then we don't actually listen. So if you actually like were conceptually measuring how much talking time you have and how much listening time you have, like it should be like you talk, maybe 20, 30 max, right? Let's say the 80-20 rule. Let's just do that. 20% you ask questions and 80% you're writing down and then asking more follow-up questions. Like, God, what do you mean by that? God, can you make that clear? Or God, can you say that again? Or God, how about this? Or, what I'm saying, like a normal conversation, keep asking, but write down whatever you think you're hearing, because that's part of listening. Okay. And writing it down is one of the best ways to do it.